What is Staad Pro? What is Staad Pro? Staad Pro or Staad is a structural analysis and design computer program. Originally, Staad developed by Research Engineer International at Yorba Linda, Canada in 1997. In late 2005, Research Engineer International was bought by Bentley Systems. An old version called Staad-III for Windows is used by Iowa State University for educational purpose for civil and structural engineers. The commercial version, Staad Pro, is one of the most widely used structural analysis and design software product worldwide. In support several steel, concrete, and timber design codes. Working area of Staad Pro: commercial buildings, bridges, highway structures, industrial structures, chemical plant structures, dams, returning walls, turbine foundation, culverts, and other embedded structure, etc. Features of Staad Pro: graphical model, analysis engines, design engines, result viewing, peripheral tools for activities like import and export of data, a library of exposed function called Staad OpenStaad.